What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos you've recently taken on your Canon R8 or any Canon mirrorless system, and how to take those photos and quickly transfer them to your cell phone so you can begin editing them and post them wherever you see fit. So let's jump into it. So the first thing you are going to want to do is you are going to want to take your Canon mirrorless camera, and you are going to want to go to connect to smartphone tablet. Once you click that, you can click on add a new device to connect and then hit OK. As you can see, a QR code does pop up, and you can take your cell phone here and you can scan the QR code. And this is just going to open up the Canon app, which is going to allow you to send your photos from your camera to your phone. This works for iPhone and Android. And I already downloaded the app, but the app is called Camera Connect. So you're just going to be able to click there, open up an app store, open it. Now, once you are in here, you can see my camera is already connected, but if I want to add a new camera, I'm going to just go to camera registration and type in the model of camera I have. In this case, it is an R8. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click on the recommended way to connect for the Canon R8. That is through Bluetooth, so I'm going to click there. And now I'm going to go to the next step on my camera here, and as you can see, it is going to start connecting, and a little icon pops up that it has detected my Canon R8. So I am going to click on it, and I am going to give this Bluetooth access permission. So I'm going to click pair, and as you can see, it is connecting to my smartphone on my camera. So now if I click next on my camera, it is connecting, and as you can see, now my camera has successfully connected to my phone, and now I'm able to send photos from my camera to my cell phone with ease. We're just going to click on OK, and now I am going to go to the home page, and I am going to click on import images, and as you can see, it is connecting to my camera again. And I'm going to join the network my camera has created here, and my camera is connecting to my phone now. And as you can see, now all the photos I have taken around this area are showing up on my cell phone. So now I can just click on them, and I can kind of scrub through to see what photos I want to copy over to start editing. So I am going to just copy over a couple of these leaf shots here. This shot looks nice, and I am going to press import. And now you can choose here if you want the original size or the reduced size. To save some space on my phone, I am going to just import the reduced size. So I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, now it did save that photo directly to my phone. So if I open up my Photos app, you can see that photo that I did send from my camera is now on my cell phone. Now I can go about posting this wherever I see fit, or I can begin editing these photos on my cell phone. I think this is such a great feature to have on the camera mirrorless systems. It's amazing to be just out and about. As you can see, I am outdoors right now, sitting at a bench after taking some photos, and I was quickly able to send those photos from my camera to my phone. And now I can start editing these photos on my cell phone and post them to my Instagram or wherever I see fit. I could see many cases where this would be very useful. For instance, if you're out with clients and you want to send them a couple of photos right after photographing with them, this is an easy way to directly send them photos before you get home and you start editing the photos on your computer. I hope you guys learned something in today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel because you know it helps my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.